What is about these chewy sweet pearls that has the entire world obsessed? It's not just a drink, it's a culture. Today we're diving into Azuki Boba Tea. Hi my eaters, Julian here from JustToday.com and welcome back to my channel. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button. It really helps us creating more videos like this one. So truly thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Now, on to the foodie adventure. As I just ate Spam Masubi at Azuki Boba Tea. 1,000 Oaks staple is spreading its wings, y'all. If you're near Westlake Village or Agoura Hills, you absolutely need to know about Azuki Boba Tea. We stopped by the original 1,000 Oaks Westlake Village location, and it's easy to see why they've been a local favorite for so long. They masterfully blend traditional Taiwanese treats with modern boba artistry. You can literally taste the history. Here's what got me in the door, okay? The savory, satisfying Spam Masubi for $3.50, okay? Where can you get that? Is right there. The perfectly crisp Taiwanese popcorn chicken and the fresh veggie rolls, just like lumpia, okay, for my Pinoys out there. The smooth, nutty taro boba, and of course, their famous drink made with Okinawa sugar. It's popular for a reason, okay, and it's called the dark milk tea. Big congrats to Azuki Boba Tea on opening their new shop in Agoura Hills. On that, we saw their amazing $8 deal. Oh my goodness, why didn't I see this before until I went there that day? On Spam Masubi with one regular size boba tea for only $8. $8, y'all. $8. Okay. Where else can you get that? I know it's only at Azuki Boba Tea. And wait, we tried more things because, you know, I like to eat, okay? We tried their Korean cheese dog, and look at that cheese bowl, y'all. Oh my goodness. You know I ate that hot. Then, to cool things off, we tried the matcha mochi waffle with vanilla ice cream topped with strawberries. You have to eat this quickly too because the mochi waffle is hot while the ice cream melts. So yeah, gotta eat that up fast, no problem, okay? Then finally was able to get one of these surprise blind box cups with regular milk tea with Okinawa brown sugar boba. Let me just tell you, I don't know about you, but when I'm scrolling on Instagram or on any socials, I see these surprise boba cups all over my page, okay? And I was finally able to find it right here at Azuki. Last but not least, you have to give this mango snow ice a try. This mango snow ice is a huge bowl of deliciousness that is so huge, it's best to share with a friend or eat it by yourself, however. But I loved the toppings of bite-sized mochi, mixed poppers of all colors, and of course that mango. Gotta love that mango snow ice ball. It's a must try, okay? Whether you're in for an $8 deal of Spam Masubi with regular size boba or a local school fundraiser, you have to go show some love to Azuki Boba Tea, 1,000 Oaks Westlake Village location or Agoura Hills. More Azuki Boba for everyone at either location. I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.